Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Right, get a large bread roll. This shape's fine, round will do. Cut a hole in it. Now, next we want to do is make some cuts. So just make incisions all the way along like this. I'll get some cheese, put that in the bottom. I'm using mozzarella cheese, and then get 1 egg and 3 egg yolks. You can pour it straight in here or you can mix it together. Doesn't really matter. Now I get some salt, chuck in a little bit of rosemary. Mine's fresh from the garden, so I've just cut it up into some little pieces, and a little bit of thyme. Mine's from the garden also, but I've just dried it. Get another layer of cheese. Then get 2 eggs that you've just slightly beaten. Pour it straight over the top. Oh, top with some more rosemary and some more thyme. A lot more cheese. Bit of salt. Now, with this here that we've cut, just go straight down the middle. You could also just leave it like this if you want. Now get a little bit of olive oil. Just pour it like that over it, and just let it seep through a bit. Salt over the top. Now crush up 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Sprinkle about 1 that you've crushed up just on top, and the rest just shove in all these cracks. A little bit of rosemary on top. That's it, and you can add more things to it. This is just a basic one that I make. Now preheat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees centigrade. Chuck it in there for about 20 to 25 minutes.